Tips and activities, what you can do for your 9 months old. Repeat your baby sound and say simple words using those sounds. For example, if your baby says ba ba ba, repeat ba ba ba, then say book. Play toys on the ground or on a play mat a little out of reach, and encourage your baby to crawl or to roll to get them. Celebrate when she reaches them. Teach your baby how to wave bye-bye and then shake his hand. For example, wave and say bye-bye when you are leaving. You can also teach simple sign language to help your baby tell you what he wants before he can use the words. Play games and such a peekaboo. You can cover your head with a cloth and see if your baby pulls it off. Play with your baby by dumping blocks from a container and putting them back it together. Play games with your baby such a toy and it's your turn. Try this by passing a toy back and forth. Read your baby reading can be talking about pictures. For example, while looking at books or magazine, name the picture as you point to them. I have here some example of development of a 9 months old baby. First is they know how to sit by own, and then get things from one hand to another hand, and then use their finger to take their food towards to him, and then they know how to play some toys. I have here some example of toys that a 9 months old baby, for the 9 months old baby. Here's a talking doll, and this is a colorful animals because they know how to see some of colors.
Tips and activity, what you can do for your 9 months old baby. Limit screen time, TV, tablet, phone, and etc. To video calling of loved ones, not recommended to your children. Younger than 2 years of age, babies learn by talking, playing, and interacting with others. Find out about choking, rest, and safe foods to feed your baby. Let him practice to feeding himself with his fingers by using a cup and a small amount of water. Sit next to your baby and enjoy mealtime together. Speak spells. Learning is messy and fun. Ask for behavior that you want. For example, instead of saying, "Don't stand," say, "Time to sit." Help your baby get used to food, to different texts and textures. Make sure your baby get enough sleep. 4 to 12 months old need 12 to 16 hours of sleep a day, including naps. Sleep times make it easier. Take care yourself. Parenting can be hard work. It is easier to enjoy your growing baby and be loving parent when you feel good to yourself. Foods can be smooth, mashed, or finely chopped. Your baby might not like every food on the first try. Give her a chance to try foods again and again. Say a quick and cheerful goodbye instead sneaking away so your baby knows you are leaving. Even if he cries, he will learn to calm himself and what to expect. Let him know when you return by saying, "Mommy back." Have routines for sleeping and feeding. Babies do better when they know what to expect. Stay close as your baby explores and moves around your home so he knows that you are near.
Hello everyone, I'm Elisa Sardina. Ang topic ko for today, yung 9 months baby old. Make it games when your baby drops things, hand the item back to her so she can drop it again. Kung halimbawa yung bata, may mga bagay na parang aksidente yung pagkakahulog ng kanyang laruan, ay pwede naman ninyong ibalik sa kanya na hindi pagalit, para hindi niya maisip na galit ka. Na kahit pahulog-hulog yung paglalaro niya ng isang bagay o yung isang kanyang laruan na hawak, ay isipin niyang hindi ka galit kung halimbawa ibabalik mo kung lagi lang nahuhulog. Then pay attention to the way that reacts to the new situation, and people try to continue to do things that make your baby happy and comfortable. Kung yung mga bagong tao na nakikita niya sa kanyang paligid, ay papakita nyo rin sa kanya na ito yung tito nyo. Kung halimbawa hindi niya kilala yung tito niya, pwede nyo ipakilala sa kanya ng maayos, at para kung sakaling makita niya ng everyday yung tao na yun, ay magiging happy kung makikita niya yung tao na yun sa kanyang paningin. Dahil medyo ang bata kasi pag may bagong taong nakakita niya, ay parang hindi siya matakot, parang ganon, kung hindi maging panatag siya kung sakali. And play a game that teach your baby to look for things she is. You hide such a toy under the blanket. Kung sana po merong makikisali ka doon sa laro ng bata, katulad ng yung pahahanapin mo yung isang bagay, o alimbawa bola, ganyan, itatago nyo lang dun sa kanyang blanket, yung sa kanyang kumot, na pwede nyo siyang turuan na, ay hanapin mo yung bola, ganyan, para matuto din siyang maghanap, o yung parang kung saan ay parang tagu-taguan, ganyan, ganyan.
Tips and activities, what you can do to your 12-month-old baby. Teach your baby desired behavior, show her what to do, and use positive words and give her hugs and kiss when she does it. For example, if she pulls your pet's tail, teach her how to pet gentle and give her a hug when she does it. Talk or sing to your baby about what you're doing. For example, Mommy is washing your hand, or sing, this is the way we wash our hands. Build on what your baby tries to say. If he says ta, says yes, a truck. Or if he says truck, says yes, that's a big blue truck. Give your baby safe place to explore things. For example, move sharp or breakable things out of reach. Lock away medicines, chemicals, and cleaning products.
Anthony H. Hernandez, and my topic is tips and activities what you can do for your 12 months old or 1-year-old baby. First, respond with words when your babies point. Babies point to us for things. For example, say you want the cup. Here is the cup. It's your cup. If he tried to say cup, celebrate his attempt. Yun yung mga example ng basic word para mabigkas ng ating baby ang salitang cup. Then, point to interesting things you see, such as truck, bus, or animals. This will help your baby pay attention to what others are showing him through pointing. Yun ang, kuwari, may dumadaan na mga bagay-bagay at bigla sila napapalingon. Then, limit is screen time, TV, tablets, phone, etc. To video calling with loved ones, screen time is not recommending for children younger than 2 years of age. Babies learn by talking, playing, and interact with others. Then, give your baby water, breast milk, or plain milk. You don't need to give your baby juice. But if you can do, give 4 ounces or less a day of 100% fruit juice. Do not give your baby other sugary beverage such as fruit drinks, soda, sports drink, or flavored milks. Then, help your baby get used to food with different taste and texture. Food can be smooth, mash, or fine chop. Your baby might not like every food on the first try. Then, give you give your baby time to get to know a new caregiver. Bring a favorite toy, stuffed animal, or blanket to help comfort your baby.
I'm Judita Ruedas. Here is the 15 months old milestone of baby. Here are the things. They flame from the container. Show your an object. She like hugs stuffed toys doll like this. Then show your language. They can say mama and dada, and looks like familiar an object when you show, like for example the blocks. They can use things like in the right way so they can learn. For example, you must reading a books like this and explain to her what is this thing with action, so they can imagine on their mind, that's the thing she know. And also on the movement, you must practice your child to use finger to feed their food on himself. Then also help your child to speak, learn, and the early words. For example, the ball. Tell a child the name of the object when he points them, and wait for a second to see if he makes the sound and hand it to him. For example, the stuffed toys I hold. Acknowledge him or her to rotate this object. Let the child learn everyday activities so they can pass learning. For example, we will go outside, teach him or her to get her socks or shoes and put in the bag or put in the basket. So, the child will learning faster every day you teach to him. And thank you.
Some tips and activities of 15-month-old baby. What you can do is have a steady routine for sleeping and feeding. Create a calm and quiet bedtime for child. Then try to read 1 to 2 books to him children. Then this age is need to sleep 11 to 14 hours a day, including the naps or the head sleep. And then this one is the example of the books that you can read. Then so that the easier to sleep. Then provide the room not too much light, or put a dim light, dim light. Then the second one is the show your child different things, such as the hat. What do you can do with a hat? You put it into your head, and then give it to him to see it. The copies on you. Do this with other objects, such as the books, so that they can recognize or they can copy. The other one is the sing songs with gesture, such as the whale on the bus. The other one is the twinkle twinkle. See it, your child tries to do some of the action to get it the attention. The other one is say what you think your child is feeling. For example, sad, mad, frustrated, happy. Use your words, facial expressions, and voice to show what you think feelings. They have a books that they show that some gesture of the face or like happy, just like that. Then the other one is fake tantrums. They are normal at this age and or more likely if your child is tired or hungry. Tantrums should become shortened and happen least as he get older. Give him some time to calm down and move on. Number one sample of this is if your baby they get some tantrums, give the things that they can play. Just sample or against the books or you can show the picture so that the mood of the baby they can change.
Hello everyone, ako nga pala si Domi Delantal. Ang topic ko ngayon, tips and activity para sa 15 months old. Let your child use a cup without a lid for drinking and practicing eating with a spoon. Una, kailangan ang cup para matuto uminom ang bata at turuan gumamit ng kutsara sa pagkain ng mag-isa. Give your child water, breast milk, or plain milk. You don't need to give juice or sugar beverages, fruit drink, soda, or sports drink. At kailangan bigyan natin ng tubig at gatas at huwag din natin sila bigyan ng mga inumin katulad ng mga energy drink o may mga lasang inumin. Give your baby safe places to explore. Baby-proof your home. For example, move sharp or breakable things out of reach. Lock away medicine, chemicals, and cleaning product. Kailangan ang bata ay nasa ligtas na lugar at malayo sa mga delikadong bagay or mga chemicals na nakakalason. At patuloy na kausapin ang mga bata at turuan sumayaw at sabihin sa bata ang mga pangalan na nakikita sa araw-araw, lalo na mga picture na bata. Kumuha ng book na may picture ng tao o hayop at i-identify para malaman ng bata kung ano ang klase ng hayop na kanilang makikita. Kailangan kumanta ng malinaw at ipakita sa bata at damputin ang mga laruan na nakikita mo at ilagay sa basket para sundin ng bata kung ano ang kanilang nakikita. At kausapin at ipakilala sa kanila ang mga toys para gayahin ng bata ang mga nakikita niya. Kunyari, nag-blow ka ng bubbles, ipakita mo sa kanila na nagbo-blow ka ng bubbles para makita niya at gayahin niya. Thanks.